Listen, this nigga JP told me to post a fucking video. Hold on, I need a fucking hat on because I'm looking real fucking crazy right now. Give me 2 seconds. Y'all can look at the fucking. Y'all can look who the neighbors is. Look who the neighbors. Look at the neighbors. Who the neighbors? Who the neighbors? Who the fucking neighbors? Who the neighbors? Who the neighbors? I don't fucking know. I don't know who the neighbors is, but listen to me. I'm about to go see Freaky. I'm about to go see Freaky. I'm waiting for fucking JP. The MacBook is almost dead, probably. I'm almost dead. Jesus Christ. Let me put this fucking snapback on or something. You got the house looking real messy right now. You got the house looking real messy. I got the Kings on, the snapback Kings on, because I'm a king. I'm a fucking king. Listen. Wait until Peasley get here. Oh my God. Swag jump overboard. We're about to go wake up Freaky. He gonna be real fucking mad. Wait till you. Yo, what the fuck? What the fuck? Watch. Mark my word. Freaky is gonna bug the fuck out when I come downstairs. It's gonna be a little dark for a minute. It's gonna be a little dark for a minute. A little dark. Like it's a little bit light. A little bit light. Where's Freaky at? Where's Freaky? Who the neighbors? Who the neighbors? Freaky's up on the phone. Freaky's up right now on the phone. Who the neighbors? Wait for JP right now. Hold on. Get fresh air. I'm in a fucking video right now. I'm almost walking to the fucking wall looking for the light. Cause I'm wet on the road. Like that, I'm not even gonna disrespect this man right now. With his light on. I'm not even gonna disrespect him. JP told me to make a video, so I'm making a video. Waiting for JP. He is knocked the fuck out. I'm not even gonna wake him up. He's gonna get up mad as a bitch. What the fuck? Yeah, you always talk about me. He's gonna wake up mad, fucking mad. You hear me? He's gonna wake up mad as a bitch. I don't know, wake up Freaky. Ah! You know what, Freaky? He's gonna be fucking mad as a bitch. Full of bad bitches. Wait until this nigga. Until JB. Oh my God. JB talk about what the fuck I do. I'm not even gonna broadcast this nigga right now. What the fuck he doing? He's on his way here right now in the cab. I'm not gonna say no more. Wait until he get here. Matter of fact, let me get the fucking phone. Look at these little niggas sleeping. Knock the fuck out. This nigga think he Wiz Khalifa. Can't see. Knocked. Look at him. Knocked. His name is fucking Brian from down the street. His name is Brian. Drew on the pillows. That's my little brother, Marcus. That's Marcus. It's my fucking little heart right there. I love that nigga to death. Look at him sleeping. Acting like he's sleeping. He isn't sleeping. He's on his 25th hour. Who the fuck is this? Look at this. Who the fuck is this? With long ass hair. He's fucking. Look at him. He got pole on. That's fucking hair. Who the neighbors? Wake up, nigga. Who the neighbors? Wake up, nigga. Who the neighbors? You on camera. We caught you on camera. Wake the fuck up. Who the neighbors? Nigga got pole. Look at his fucking hair dripping. His hair is dripping all over the place. Knocked. He going right back to sleep. Who the fuck is this? Who the fuck is this? Jerry? Little Jerry? Look at little Jerry. Wake the fuck up, Jerry. It's rent. Time to pay the bills. Time to pay the bills. It's time to pay the bills. It's time to pay the bills. Get up and pay the bills, motherfucker. It's the first of the month. It's the 31st. It's time to wake up. Pay the bills. Rent is due. Rent is due, my nigga. Look, something gotta give. Look at him. His ass hanging out and shit. Look at him. It's motherfucking Jerry. It's Jerry, little Jerry. Look at Jaquan. Jaquan is knocked. Look at Jaquan, knocked. Look at him, stinky legs, stinky face, knocked out. Let's see who else up in this bitch. Who else we got in this bitch? Sleep, knocked the fuck out. Look at J Hawk. J Hawk looking crazy in this bitch. Look at J Hawk. Knocked. J Hawk is knocked. He is knocked. Yeah, who neighbors? Look at him. Look just like me. Look bro. The phone's ringing. Look at him. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Wake up, bitch. Somebody in the house. Who going out? Somebody going in the house. Who the neighbors? Who the neighbors? Who the fuck is this? Hello? Nah, I'm on the phone with you right now. I'm on video right now. Hold on, nigga. I'm making a video right now. I'm waking up everybody. These little niggas. Where are you? Yeah. They're home. Who the neighbors? Look, Teddy got that fucking door locked. Ain't no fucking sleep till Brooklyn. Ain't no sleep till Brooklyn. Ain't no sleep till Brooklyn. Nigga gotta get the fuck up. It's time to pay the rent. It's time to pay the rent. You heard? It's the motherfucking 31st, but we're gonna say it's the first. Rent is due. The rent is due. The rent is due. Wake the fuck up. Wake up. Hey. Hey. The rent is due. Hey. The rent is due. Hey. I'll huff and I puff and I blow the door down. Wake the fuck up. Hey. Swag jump overboard. Let me call you. You can't see what the fuck jump here. Hey, wake the fuck up. Hey, 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 yo. Who the neighbors? Niggas wanna play around early in the morning. Shit. Let me get the fucking house phone calls in here. I'm what fucking house phone.
We flew all the way to Istanbul. Wow! There's Mount Everest. That means we flew all the way.
TV's on. Fucking crazy. Going crazy in this bitch. Fans rolling and shit. What the fuck you niggas doing? What you doing in your life? Oh, stop phone.
Like Cinnamon Toast Crunch and Lucky Charms.
What a... Yo. You pull up in Black Yard? What? What? Who the neighbors? Who the fucking neighbors? Yo, what? Yo, my nigga. What, you want to make the shit? Alright, I'm about to go in the kitchen right now. The camera acting real crazy right now. It's not even fucking video recording me no more. Shit just froze on me.